Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello there. Now here is an example of a great viral marketing. And believe it or not, this is something I found on Quora. So the post goes like this. On the eve of Valentine's Day, Domino sent their pizza to the Pizza Hut headquartered at Kallang, Singapore. The pizza was accompanied by a cute note which they had shared on their Facebook page. So this is actually the actual shot of the Domino's Facebook page where they published the following along with this image. So they said, "Hey Pizza Hut, we both eat pizza, live pizza and breathe pizza. So we obviously love pizzas. From one pizza lover to another, here's a gift from the bottom of our hearts." And then there's an image. "Dear Pizza Hut, things may be a little cold between us, but we want to fix that. Here's a little something to warm your Valentine's Day. Domino's." Actually, love Domino's. Now, after that, Pizza Hut reciprocated their love through this witty comment wrapped nicely with a note. So they wrote the following. "Indeed, things shouldn't be so cold at all. Here's a little something to warm your Valentine's Day. Much love. You'll always have a pizza, our heart." Taking it a bit much further, Domino's replied, "Pizza Hut, thanks for the love. Let's create a Domino's effect together. Hope you enjoyed your pizzas delivered within 30 minutes, just like our reply." Cute, isn't it? Well, that's what most people felt. That's why the post went viral. In no time, it had highest number of shares. Even the post about their 30th store or the slice of life manga chapter didn't attract this much attention. And not just people, even the newspapers and websites picked it up as well. So here's what they wrote. So to create this kind of attention through the online commercials, billboards, or to make a leading website write about you, it usually costs a lot for the companies. And Domino's achieved this with just the cost of one pizza. The world around us loves craziness. If you do something crazy, the world laps it up and makes it viral. It might be loved or hated, but it won't be ignored. And this is what has happened in this case. What is crazier than the love between the rivals? This was softer than the soft sell campaign. Well played, Domino's. So the best type of marketing is funny, humorous marketing. But then again, it's very challenging to achieve that. Now, Domino's definitely managed to do that. And see even the hashtag that they used, it was really hilarious. Make love, not war. Share your thoughts in the comment below, please, about this very unique and special marketing effort from the side of Domino's that made their post go viral. And if you like this video, and if you would like to see more of those, please click the button below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.